What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be going over how to tie Durag Suave style. First, you're going to take your Durag and place it over your head with the seam on the outside so that there's not an indentation left on your head when you take the Durag off. You're going to take your strings, tie them around the back of your head, and here you have two methods to hold it. You can either hold it like a telephone, or you can just hold it in your mouth. Got that method from 360G's. Pause. So here you're taking your strings and you're opening them up and keeping them flat and flush as you wrap them around your head. Now you're going to proceed to do the same thing on the other side. Two methods of holding it. Open your string. Make sure it's flush across. Now jam both strings in the back. You tie them in a shoestring knot. Now here you're going to pull the flap down on your Durag, making sure your waves are compressed, make sure everything's nice and tight. Put the strings down right above your eyebrow, get a little swag on it, you know, Suave style, right? Nah, we're not done. So my signature style, I think it's my signature style. I like to call it the messy bun. I take a lot of the excess from my flap, tuck it in, and I'll bring a little bit back out, and I just rock it as it goes. It's not my best one, but it works. Style number one. Number two, we're gonna do all in. So we're gonna call this the all in method. Take all the excess from your flap and just tuck it into a ball in the back. You're done. It's easy. It's not bad. Style number three is the ponytail. You're gonna take the excess from your flap. You're gonna bring it all together, and the string, which I missed there, tie it around your finger, and then you're gonna take the end and tuck it through the hole that you formed with your finger. Pull down, and you have your ponytail. Not bad. And if all else fails, at the end of the day, you can still wear your flap out. Especially for those of you from New York. That's style number four. Hey, peace, love. Thank you for coming. Check out my channel. Please like, subscribe, follow me on social media, and I thank you for the support.